In this video, we listed the 5 best drill machine on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DCH172 Compact Hammer. The DeWalt DCH172 is a brushless rotary hammer designed for home DIY use, weighing 1.8 kilograms and operating at a rated voltage of 20 V. With a hammer type of rotary hammer, this tool offers an impact energy of 1.4 J and a no-load speed ranging from 0 to 1060 RPM, with a hammering frequency of 0 to 4980 BPM. Its best drilling range is 4 to 9.5 mm, and it can handle a drilling diameter of 16 mm in concrete, 16 mm in wood, and 10 mm in metal. Originating from mainland China, this DeWalt model, with the model number DCH172, is CE certified and has a vibration level of 8.8 ms². Number 2. Kamolee 1800DTW700. The Kamolee DTW700 electric wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a variety of applications, such as construction site work, maintenance, and woodworking. It features a high torque of 1800 Nm with a stepless speed change switch and a brushless motor that ensures spark-free operation and increased durability. The wrench is compatible with 18V Makita batteries and has a square drive of 1/2, offering 3 gear positions for flexibility in use. Additionally, it comes with a 5.0 battery pack, charger, and other accessories in a plastic box set for convenience. The tool's specifications include a weight of 4.2 kilograms, dimensions of 33.5 by 25 by 10 centimeters, a no-load speed of 6800 RPM, and a maximum torque of 1800 Nm. Its motor type is brushless, making it suitable for commercial use, and it is CE certified. Please note that there may be slight variations in color and measurements due to manual measurement and display differences. Number 3. Fujiwara Electric Nail Gun. The Fujiwara Electric Nail Gun is a versatile tool for home DIY projects, featuring a unique design for efficient nail stapling in woodworking and more. This framing nail gun, powered by electricity, offers a powerful and wear-resistant experience with its ultra-thin tube design. It supports different nail sizes from F15 to F30, with both single and double-use nail options available. The model FUJ DF30C from the brand Fujiwara in mainland China operates at a voltage of 220-240 V with a power of 2000 W. Although it lacks certification for now, it stands out for its innovative design and practicality for various tasks like nailing, cutting, and cleaning. Users appreciate its quality and performance, with some mentioning the need for better protection. Number 4. DeWalt DCF860 Electric Wrench. The DeWalt DCF860 is a brushless cordless drill designed for commercial use with a 20V battery as its power source. Weighing 1.1 kilograms, this drill features a model number DCF860 and originates from mainland China. It is certified with CE compliance and has a no-load speed ranging from 0 to 3800 RPM with impact frequency at 4500 IPM. The drill's collet size is 1/4, 6.35 mm, and it has a body length of 126 mm. The maximum torque it can deliver is 282 Nm, with variable speeds available in 3 gears for versatility in different applications. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Impact Wrench. The DeWalt handheld power tool, manufactured in mainland China, features direct current power supply and notable attributes such as LED lighting and stepless speed regulation. The product is crafted from high-quality cast copper, emphasizing durability and performance. With DeWalt as the brand name and origin, the tool offers versatility and reliability for various applications. Its construction in Chinese mainland ensures a standard of quality, making it a promising choice for users seeking a robust and efficient handheld tool.